Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, hey. Settle down. You hear this pop?
What happened?
When you were pushing on that fucking manure, you popped the tire.
You just pushed that manure for like 30 minutes in there and I popped the tire.
Yeah, I heard it when I was at the other end of the barn. Yeah.
What do I do?
Well, I guess you gotta learn how to fix the tire. You broke it, you fixed it.
I don't want to learn that.
You broke it, you fixed it. Let's back it into the barn.